Hey guys, welcome back to GWiz Academy. And from today onwards, we are going to start a brand new series called WordPress Fundamentals for Absolute Beginners. So here we will be learning everything we need to know about WordPress fundamentals, and we are going to cover almost all concepts in WordPress so that you can easily manage any WordPress websites in the world. We are not going to learn web development specifically, but what we are going to learn here is, before you learn web development, you need to have a concrete foundation of what exactly this WordPress is and how it functions and how to easily administer or how to manage WordPress websites. Once you understand these fundamentals, and then you enter into web development, and then you enter into higher expertise level concepts of creating unique websites. With WordPress, you can create business websites, blogging websites, portfolio website, or e-commerce websites, or listing and directory websites, or membership sites. Definitely, you can do all of the things, but without having a strong foundation in WordPress, before having a strong fundamentals knowledge, you shouldn't be entering into learning those concepts, because what happens is, if you don't know fundamentals and if you enter into a complex concepts, you might get overwhelmed with those concepts and you might leave learning those web development aspects in mid. So what I recommend is, take this course and learn complete basics, understand WordPress from ground up, and then enter into learning the higher concepts of web development. So this course is intended for absolute beginners and anyone who wants to understand how WordPress works and how to manage any WordPress websites in the world with confidence, and for anyone who wants to build a concrete foundation in WordPress web development. Right? So what I have done is, I have thought about creating around 15 chapters, and this should be more than enough for you to understand what exactly is WordPress and how to manage any WordPress websites. So the first video is obviously the one that I'm currently recording, that is Introduction to WordPress, and the second chapter is going to be how to install WordPress on your laptop or on your PC, on your Mac, without having any hosting or domain. Right? You can create multiple WordPress websites on your computer. Right? You heard it right. You don't have to have any hosting or domain. And then we will be learning how to log in into our admin dashboard, and then we'll be learning about themes, we'll be learning about plugins, what exactly these are and why do we use it, and then we will be learning about menus, pages, and posts, and then we'll be learning about editors. There are two types of editors, classic editor and Gutenberg editor. The latest one is Gutenberg, but millions of developers still use classic editor, right? We will be learning what are the merits and demerits, obviously, and then we will be learning about user roles and permissions, and then WordPress settings, how to take a backup of any WordPress website and how to restore that backup, how to do migrations in the sense, let's say if you want to change the domain name from one server to another server or one domain to another domain, then how do we do that? We'll be learning that in WordPress migration concept, WordPress migration chapter, and then we will be learning about manual migration. For migration, we use some services or plugins or cloud migrations, but how do we do if we don't have any access to any other plugins? In case of disaster recovery system or those things, sometimes things mess up. In those cases, how do we manually recover our website? We will be learning that as well. This is a high-end concept. And then we will be learning how to go live, in the sense how to take whatever we have created on our computer, how to make it live, how to go to our cPanel and install WordPress on our web server. We will be learning that as well in the end of this course. Right? So these concepts will create a very strong foundation for you, and with which you can easily and confidently enter into web development or WordPress web development. So that's it for this introduction, and thank you very much for watching and have a great day. We'll see you in the second chapter, where we will be installing WordPress on our computer. Right? Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Thank you.